Hello everyone, this is Zach over here. So just want to do a quick sound check, okay? Hopefully my sound and screen is working. All right. So for those that who are joining me, once again, thank you for joining me in this section over here. So as usual, right? If I got time, 9:30 every day, I'll try to do it. Of course, on the weekdays, okay. But tomorrow, for those that who are joining me right now, okay, tomorrow, there won't be any section at 9:30 in the morning, right? So probably you can follow Seafood ER at night time, okay, 8:30, because tomorrow I got some appointment I need to rush, so we'll have to cancel tomorrow's section. All right. Hello, Roslan. Okay, thank you for joining me as well. So again, if you are here, okay, appreciate you can give me a thumbs up. Okay, help me to share this out. Right. So we're gonna start our section here today. Okay. So we again, our objective is very simple. We look again some of the stocks that previously we monitor, okay, on daily basis or weekly basis, and today we're going to look for a new stock as well. Okay. So again, keep your so-called stock ideas, or maybe watch list. Okay, this is usually the things that I do personally to get myself so-called cannot say updated lah, but at least to clean up my portfolio, my watch list from time to time. So let's say this one didn't work out, I go for the others, and this one didn't work out, I go for the others. Okay. So definitely yesterday the one that very exciting one is me Technovation. Yeah, I to be frank with you, I rarely do FIFO. I rarely do FIFO, especially when the stock gap out so much. Okay. But me Technovation, if you have my Telegram groups, I think you know, is one of the stocks that we have been monitoring. Previously, actually, I traded before, but just that it gapped down, it didn't work out at the time. I just cut loss. So I was waiting for opportunity for them to do a shakeout, but unfortunately, actually last week they do a shakeout, these two candles over here, but I didn't notice that. Okay, I didn't notice that. So yesterday when they opened gap up, I decided to try. I think my entry is 2.14, if I'm mistaken. I took partial profit, very small profit, actually not much meat. My first profit, not much meat. Just to cover up my fees, everything in case they U-turn. The next one is pretty good. Okay, 2.4. Okay, I able to accept 2.4. So boleh lah, for FIFO. So for me, this is this me Technovation, right? Me Technovations, right? If you look into weekly chart, actually they are breaking from a very nice so-called resistance, or I can say it's a nice accumulation area in this zone. Okay, so if you ask me, long-term wise, it still offer a plenty of opportunity. Again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Oh yeah, before I go in further, okay, just a quick disclaimer. This section, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Okay, if you want to trade any stock based on this discussion over here in this video here, make sure you have your own trading plan. That's why I always emphasize support and resistance. Okay, if you look into my daily chart also, I got my support 1, support 2, resistance 1, resistance 2. All right. So for those that who are totally new in so-called stock market trading, chart analysis, technical analysis, right? Try that out. Okay, try my support resistance out. Okay, I'm sure that it definitely will help you at least to identify where is the important area to monitor. So normally for me, I use support resistance few reasons. Whenever it hit, I took some action. Okay, especially on cut loss area, I very disciplined on that. And second is to calculate the risk to reward ratio. Okay, if let's say every time you enter resistance market turn, you drop, cut loss, and then market recover again, goes back up again, then you make losses again. Okay, you chase lagi, nanti same thing will repeat. Okay, so that's why it's very important to always check your risk to reward ratio. Okay, now if you agree with me with this statement, type 1 for me, please. Okay, if you agree with this statement, type 1 for me. Okay, so now let's go back to me Technovation. So me Technovation for me, well, if you look into the overtrend over here we actually got this high one. This is back to 2 years ago already, July 2022, and this is another last year, March 2023. Okay, so these few high volumes over here kind of like telling me that there is a reversals coming in and stopping this so-called downtrend. Okay, so it moved into this sideways zone over here. This is what we call the accumulation zone. So some people call stage 1. Stage 1 accumulation is the same thing. Okay, and yesterday candle kind of telling me that yes, this is a follow through of what happened in the accumulation, right? Thank you, Roslan. So for only Roslan understand and agree with me. How about the rest? Okay, I got 10 people over here, a small group of people. Okay, just type 1 or type 2. At least I know you are here with me. Okay. So, all right, like I said, this is the accumulation zone. They break above the resistance and come with high volume also. Of course, today, by looking into this weekly chart, today is only Tuesday. We still got 4 days to go. Now it's only 9:30. So for me, as long as this week or next few weeks is still trading above this gap or this zone over here, the resistance zone, which is turning to new support right now, I think me still got plenty to offer. Okay, so this is the reasons why I still monitoring me technovation, which is I think that I miss P metal long term. Okay, now I'm upcoming actually aiming for IPG. I think no rush. Okay, no rush because I feel that tech do offer plenty of opportunity right now. Okay, because some of them actually coming from bottom. Okay, stock like I think like UWC, Grad Tech, Inari, Jeff Tech, they are still kind of like in the bottom. Okay, of course some of them still is trapped in accumulation, but looks like me technology started to show something that is kind of exciting. Okay, kind of exciting. So for me, okay, so if let's say these few weeks, I'm not sure. Okay, somewhere around this area over here, I think I will go for long term this round, not for FIFO already this round. Okay, so my first target 3 ringgit. If let's say I'm able to enter, I think 2 ringgit is a bit difficult, but 2 to 3 also give you 50%. If let's say I enter somewhere around here, also got around 40% potential gain. Okay, hopefully. Of course, if let's say break successfully, the next main resistance based on weekly chart is somewhere around here. Okay, of course, this one based on weekly chart, probably I will treat it like how I treat my my Tenaga. Okay, same things. Okay. Hey, hello Wong. Yes, UMS today looks good. I also got monitor. UMS tried go higher yesterday. ENO, but ENO today also got a bit up bar. Okay, I'm not sure what is the so-called the updated right now. Okay, we look into that later on. Okay, remind me. How to differentiate markup and distribution? Okay, now markup, right? Of course, if let's say this area over here currently we're looking into markup is easy, okay, to spot because accumulation breakout high volume is markup. Okay, it's markup. Okay, now whenever markup goes continue, right, which is uptrend, markup is uptrend. Okay, and if let's say you continue to see some high volume, okay, at the top, okay, they go into an all-time high or maybe 1 year high or 2 year highs, right? You see high volume, especially come with shooting star. Now this is a potential distribution. So normally, that's why one of the reasons why I don't like the stock goes up, shoot up with high volume. Okay, sometimes I feel that this one is especially come with good news. Especially come with good news. Okay, I'm a bit scared one because maybe this is the area that people wanted to distribute. I'm not sure about VS Tech. Okay, VS Tech also come with this. Okay, let's go back to daily chart. This one come with some high volume. So maybe they will make a big dip. I'm not sure. That's why if compared VS Tech, Meet Ocean, of course I prefer Meet Ocean right because they are coming from bottom. Okay, I mean I'm looking into long term. Looking into long term. If let's say you want to trade short term one, then yeah, probably this kind of stock give you more momentum. Okay, so any other stocks that come in some high volume. But lately, I think these few years we don't really see that a lot because since the COVID, the glove run, right? Actually, this few years, KRSA has been very boring market and mostly at the bottom. So we don't see a lot of distribution already nowadays. Okay, but of course, this year is a good year for me. Started to see some markup stocks already, so probably we prepare for that. Okay, so yeah, if I can share, okay, let's go into something like K plus something like K plus. Okay, we go into weekly chart. Okay, this is to answer some of the questions from this Roslan, right? Hey, Roslan, I want to ask, you are my previous member of my ex company. Because my ex company, I got one member also, Roslan. I'm not sure whether it's you or not. Okay, so yeah, this is one of the example weekly chart right here. Okay, volume increasing. Okay, and then you can see a big shooting star. Okay, normally this is the first symptoms that maybe distribution is going on already. Okay, so example in K plus. If you can show more example, I will share more. Then again, like I say, this area here got your super good news. Be extra careful on that. Okay, be extra careful on that. Okay. Just want to ask, anyone here actually? No, lah, I'm 63 years old. Oh, okay. Yeah, because my before I joined XIFU, the other company, I got one member also Roseland. Okay, but yeah, I don't think it's you because the profile picture is different if I can remember. Okay, well, that's quick one for me. Technovation, as I will still keep monitoring it. Okay, now let's look into some stocks. So some stocks that I'm holding. Okay, so if you're following, probably can continue to chat with me as well. Success, okay, got a little bit of resistance. So okay, right now it's boring, nothing much, but I feel that the setup is still good. Fiamma, I think Mon just yesterday you said that you already exit So actually also I parked to exit partially today. I don't see any weakness, but in the same times that one thing I'm afraid is that I'm afraid they'll make a pullback, then sideways goes up again. So wasted my time. Wasted my time. So yeah, I actually queued to lock some profit. Hopefully it hit. But if not, maybe one current price I think I also can take it already. Okay, signature looks like want to make another round. Yesterday closing is pretty good. Okay, let's see. Okay. Tak ada jalan, but let's go to hourly chart. Okay, because yesterday towards the closing it come with some increasing volume. Okay, but looks like okay now rejected already. Okay, any other counters? Wangtel disappointing. This one. Kena tunggu lagi. Okay, so this bar over here, this is I think last Friday. We thought that boleh jalan matau. Shooting star. Okay, so yesterday also closing week 1. I actually don't like it, but in the same time again, sideways with a wash. Okay, probably just giving some times. Okay, for Wangtel. EMCC also the other one that but this one actually I think they also follow a bit of gold prices. So gold try to make a pullback. This previous side will be like barbers as well. Okay, so but overall they are still above support. Okay, so just gonna wait for it for some times right now. Any others? Success, Fiamma. Okay, Power's boring also lah. I start with some of the boring stocks, but again, in the same hand, they are very nice setups. Okay, so yeah, maybe this round I'm gonna clean some stocks already, and then move into the others. Okay, so this one actually very nice also. Volume very extremely low. Okay, probably just I want to wait until Friday. If still no movement, yeah, maybe just gonna just switch to other stock later on. Okay. So, all right. Any other stocks that you want me to look into? Okay, yeah, Fiamma, Wong is out. Okay, we look into UEMS, Pharma, and GDEX. Okay, let me know any other stock you want me to look into. Opstar, definitely, yeah, because Opstar also I watching. Okay, long term now still sleeping. You means Pharma and GDEX. Okay, I'll look into that using weekly chart. Dialogue still in uptrend. Okay, yes, I think Dialogue still pretty good. Okay, overall. Of course, today I haven't checked yet, but I think yesterday got some news because of the good QR, if not mistaken. MyTech, okay, MyTech in the long period accumulation. Okay, this one I also heard boleh jalan like Sendai, but Sendai already moved a lot So okay, now let's go into this one by one. Of course, before I forgot, right? Coraza, some of the stock that I think we just posted in the Telegram. Okay, Coraza reversal with pullbacks. Okay, I aiming around 570 area lah. See boleh dapat or not lah. Boleh dapat lucky tapi lah. DCHK. Okay, DCHK also high volume reversal. How about what's the movement? Okay, today not much of movement. So I will see whether it still can retest support or not. Okay, because I think this setup is good. MTech. Oh yeah, CowPoint. Okay, I forgot about CowPoint. Okay, this one also holding well also. So no changes. So no need to review. CowPoint still here got a bit resistance, but again no much changes. Okay, so I think still fine. I'm still holding actually. I haven't take some profit from it yet. The other one is RG Tech. Okay, RG Tech actually also looking for potential entry too. Okay, for these stocks. Okay, MSM Capital A. Okay, sure. MSM Capital A. Okay, I start with Rostan first because Rostan I will use our weekly chart to help you to review because since you are looking for long term. So okay, now pharma the other day got dropped. Drop with high volume some more. Oh, ini tak cantik lah, Roslan. Okay, weekly chart lah. We look into weekly chart. Maybe weekly chart tell me different things. Tak boleh switch. What happened? Stuck lah, Roslan. Let me refresh. Okay, let me refresh. Just now still working with my weekly chart. Maybe they hints us, okay, not to use the long term, okay, for these stocks. Okay, let's look into pharma again. Okay, let's try pharma. Okay, this is pharma. Okay, weekly chart. Okay, good. Okay, weekly chart wise. Okay, now looking into weekly chart. This is the one that I mentioned just now. Just now I think Rostan, you the one asked, right? Markup and distribution. What's the difference? Okay, markup of course uptrending. During markup, I like to see pullback. Okay, so this is to ensure the trend is still healthy. No climatic volume. High volume is fine, but no climatic. And then especially no good news. Okay, so there's a few things I look into. Distribution is when there's a climatic volume. Some, of course, different stock, different patterns. I cannot say every time it's like that, but most of the time you will see a climatic volume. Price going in the top all-time high most of the time with good news. Okay, so for example here, this is shooting star going into all-time high from shooting star climatic volume. So this is a first sign of potential distribution. Okay, now over here, of course, we do see some changes in terms of trend. Okay, because here we go again, we got these two candles here with climatic volume. Okay, AHB. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, we got some climatic volume from here. So again, changes in terms of trend is coming. Okay, so that's why we have this sideway. Okay, but this one I think is still considered like a beginning of accumulation. Sometimes accumulation can take few years one. So again, if you are those very can long term one, you hold 3 tahun, 5 tahun, no problems. I think okay, right? I think okay. Here would be your main support. Okay, here will be your main support. Again, I'm not doing any buy call. I just want to share with you some of my own observation. So here's your main support over here based on weekly chart. This is around 275 or 270 area. So currently 310 area. So it's around 10% losses. If you think okay, I think it's fine. Okay, so here will be your main support. Okay, make sure this area hold. Okay, if yes, then yeah, this will be a zone. Okay, for them to do range trading. Okay, in this accumulation. Okay, so of course, if you prefer momentum, you wait something like mini technovation. If you look into me also, I think they actually started climatic volume in 2022, right? Just now we saw that, right? Accumulation, so it roughly take 2 years before they break this resistance level. Okay, it take 2 years. So yeah, expect this kind of time frame. Okay, expect this kind of time frame. Okay. Genting M, I think yesterday Genting M will gap up, so got potential reversals over there. Okay, but again, Genting M, again, I'm not sure what it's the stock that not really suit me. I tried before 1 or 2 times, but tak jadi lah. Maybe because my very first trade, right? I still remember in my university time, right? 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago. The first stock I hold is Genting and make losses. That's why until now, I don't have a good feeling on Genting one. But yes, Genting, I think yesterday got a gap up. We can look into that. Potential reversal in the short-term trend. Okay, so this is pharma, quick one. GDAX, okay, I'm probably going to move it a little bit faster. Okay, again, just want to stick with so-called weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart here, yes, we do have some high volume coming in. Again, a shooting star, but I don't think this shooting star is a main issue. I don't think it's a main issue because this shooting star high volume coming from accumulation. It's not from distribution. It's not from at the top. So if you look here, right, this one a bit problems tengok ini. This one is a distribution, okay. Ini bukan lagi, okay. Ini still consider high volume star climatic and it's come from the bottom, so nothing to worry. But even though nothing to worry, but it will still form a stubborn resistance lah. Okay, here. So yeah, I think currently they are doing a wash. Again, suitable for those who want to hold long term. Okay, suitable for those who got patient one. People like me impatient one, double. Okay, if you think that you buy whole 6 months later on, you only come back, look into it, that one bully. Right, so again, set your stop loss or anything, in stock market, there's nothing 100%, but yeah, right now for me, they are forming accumulations. So okay, now let's turn to MSM. Okay, but I don't think of much changes. So weekly chart wise, yeah, the support still hold. I think expect a little bit of reaccumulations already because they are very far away from 20 MA for some time. Okay, so yes, here got a little bit of shooting star, but luckily volume is not that high on this shooting star here. So maybe yes, some reaccumulation is expected. Okay, for MSM. Okay, MSM capital A. Okay, so again, this is from Roseline, so I'm going to use weekly charts to do that. So okay, same things. I mean, weekly chart wise, nothing changed. So here, it's got some resistance. Okay, it should here form shooting star based on weekly. So as long as these few candles here low volume, I think the next upcoming support should be around this area here. So let's say it's still trading around this area here with low volume. I think capital is still fine. Okay, capital is still fine. All right. So okay, GDEX has 1 billion market cap with shareholder from Singapore and Japan. Oh, okay, good to know. Good to know. So yeah, maybe it's good to collect again. Not doing buy call sell call, but if you okay, let's try GDEX again. I want to see the fundamental. GDEX, I remember previously I traded somewhere around here. Okay, make a pretty good profit that time because they just started to do reversal. But after that, boring lah, boring. Okay, I also forgot about GDEX already. But okay, if you are looking for long term, okay, FA wise 5 out of 9 based on Piotrowski F score, not too bad. Okay, just the technical, of course lah. Technical, they are still nothing much lah. So okay, probably I will try to play when they are coming back with the shakeout. Okay, so that we can trade. Okay, within the zone there. Okay, now let's move into the stocks. Let's go back to daily chart. We look into Opstar. Okay, we look into Opstar. Okay, Penta. Look into Penta. Okay. Okay, Pharma got 7-year contract to supply medical to government. Okay, good to know that. But why the chart daily chart looks a bit big okay, at the moment? Maybe because they are still in accumulation zone probably. Okay, now Opstar wise, okay, yesterday a shooting star, but for me this is a small one, not a very big deal. But today, let's say close above this shadow, I think it's even better. Okay, it's even better. Okay, so nothing changed actually for me for Opstar main support around this area. Okay, of course, yes, this is a gap down with some high volume. So here will definitely form a little bit of resistance, okay, which is exactly at the R1 area. So here gap down, increasing volume. Okay, but at the same time, for me, it's a nice support. Okay, so maybe some sideways probably will happen in this area here. Okay, but as long as above this S2 level, I think is setup still valid. Okay, for Opstar right now. Okay, the other one, let's look into Dialog. Dialog, I remember, yeah, the other day we mentioned this one also suitable for long term, okay, because got some high volume over here, but very close with the main resistance also lah. Let's go into daily. Okay, still double break this nearest resistance, okay, but okay lah, low volume. Nothing to reveal actually. Sorry, who's the one asking Dialog? I'm not sure you're looking for long term or short term, but short term wise, of course, try to get around this S1 area, or maybe somewhere around this area over here, close to S1, because like I said, they are very close with the main resistance. So normally over this area here, probably will take a little bit of time. Okay, but if you are looking for long term, I think so far so good. So far so good. That's what I can say about Dialog. It's a very slow movement stock lah. So okay, now MyTech is doing a nice reaccumulation, if not mistaken. Okay, all right. So okay, now as long as still above this S1, okay, I think still okay, right? Very close to S1 already. Okay, so let's go into this. Okay, let me just zoom out a little bit. Yeah, this one's still reaccumulation. Okay, This sometimes also. This one is a bit similar like Rojas, Edaran. Okay, actually I look back at Edaran already. Okay, I crop. Okay, I crop cantik lah. I crop. Sorry, not I crop. I PG. Okay, I crop is still in accumulation also. MFCB. Okay, I'll do that for KC. So Edaran actually I start to look back already. Okay, because I feel that the accumulation also it takes around like 3 months if I'm mistaken. Okay, very nice also. So same with my tag. Okay, doing a reaccumulations right now. Okay, as long as this S1 S2 hold if let's say or maybe you can use S2. Okay, if let's say break below, then need to chop already because reaccumulation probably fail, or maybe they need to do another so-called shake-up. Okay, so let's go into Adaran. Okay, Adaran also. For me, Adaran chart is somehow more clearer. Of course, a big gap lah. Shake out, shake out, shake out. Okay, so here continue to do sideways. The other stocks that are very familiar continue goes up is Hapsing. No? Okay, Hapsing, I also gonna watch out before. But this one, okay. I forgot these stocks, okay, but still goes up. Now, this is the stocks that are good to have normally, okay, but it's very difficult to follow, okay. Normally, I like the stocks that not much people talk about you whenever they goes up, okay. But like I say, very difficult to follow this kind of stuff because sometimes you tend to forget. Okay, like Hapsing lah. Okay, like Hapsing. I think we entered somewhere here. Shakeout, I cannot exit from here. Right, KC, I think KC we trade also, right, this one. But I'm not sure KC you go exit or not. But exit or somewhere around here, like, gonna shake out. Like. Push back up, then after that, I just lost interest. Look for other stock at the time because they are boring for a month. Okay, then when it goes up, boring for 1-2 months, and then when it goes up. All right. So let's see whether Adrian got discount patterns or not later on. Okay, my tag AHB. Okay, AHB. Wow. This one very penny stock, huh? Penny stock, a bit of pump and dump. Sorry, who's the one asking AHB? Looking for entry or exit? I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit, but I feel that this one, this smart money, this operator, not easy, not easy. So, well, I think today also, yesterday, some of the stock very exciting one. MMAG, I think today continue goes up, right, if I'm not mistaken. 80, I think 80 also started to move up. Okay, so penny stock is coming back, looks like that. Okay, but again, if you're looking for entry, maybe this area here is safe, but resistance is very strong. Okay, so probably you want to lock some profit from here. So you rejected a few times already into this area here. Okay, the recent one also come with high volume. Okay, so not sure who is the one asking AHB. I'm not sure whether you are looking for entry or exit. But yeah, this is a near support, or that's why I can say. Okay, drop below, then you have to be careful. It kind of similar to HM. Whenever support fail for penny stock, for me, I trouble dulu lah. Okay, take the money first, then we look for other opportunity. Okay, so Genting M. Okay, Genting M yesterday, a nice movement. I think Genting yesterday gap up. Okay, today looks like started to do pullback. Okay, as long as for me today, low volume, narrow spread candle, above 20 and 40-day moving average, can start to look for a low risk entry. Okay, so first thing, narrow bar, I put it NB. Okay, narrow bar. Second, of course, low volume because yesterday is a bullish candle. Today, we want to ensure, yes, there's pullback today is fine, but we want to ensure less sellers. Okay, so low volume. Okay, third, 2040, they must trade above. Okay, to ensure the reversal is kind of like complete lah. Okay, complete lah. Like for example here push back up here, hold, then we got chance to have another rally again. Okay, so I think Genting yesterday as well is the same thing also. Yeah, Genting is a gap up. Okay, pushing back 2040, high volume. Okay, so today low volume tested back here. I think yeah, is okay, right? So let's go into the others. Yeah, what is this really? Okay. Let me know if I miss your stocks, because I do write down just now, but my writing is too bad already. I cannot read. Okay, if I miss it, let me know. Okay, so MYEG, again, same things. Okay, I think Rostan asking me already since last week. Yeah, this one. But for me, my view is still the same. Okay, they are going into the next potential resistance. Okay, this is the main resistance. Okay, previously rejected twice. Okay, now coming in here. So if you enter somewhere below here or somewhere around here, a good area to focus on partial profit. Okay, because yeah, these two area here rejected twice already. This area, this level resistance rejected twice. Okay, MYEG. Okay, let's look into IOI. I crops. Oh yeah, Penta. Yes. Penta. Okay, I look into our crops MRCB then Penta. So okay now, if you look into RI corporations, right? Okay, this one weekly because I know KC also looking for long term. Okay, so yeah, they are actually trading in this so-called flag or triangle triangle here. Okay, definitely is but this sideway for so long already. This sideway here since started 2014. Okay, this one started 2014 So rejected lots of time. This is a false breakout. Okay, and now here. Okay, but the range is getting narrow Good thing is that this range is getting narrow. Again, suitable for those that who don't mind to buy and hold. Okay, suitable for those that who buy you hold for a few years. Okay, once successfully break over here, okay, a new national will be coming in already. Okay, maybe I don't sure like YTR Power because YTR Power also sideways for years right before they move up. Okay, the other one is IOIPG. I personally like more IOIPG because there's a sign of continuation. Okay, this week itself for the up 6%. Okay, and last week actually it break 12% with high volume. Okay, with high volume. So this is like a continuation trend. Okay, a strong momentum. Weekly chart hit 20 MA before Jalan. So for yeah, just now who's asking? Roslan, your MSM. Okay, MSM. I think somewhere around here right now So maybe it will hit 20 MA. Okay, to see there's upcoming movement. I think MindTech just now I already done Bala. Okay, MindTech is still in reaccumulation So overall, I think the setup is okay with the nice support. But just that recently 1-2 months the volumes is very quiet. Okay, so this one is a waiting game. Okay, for MindTech. Okay, let's look into MRCB. MRCB also very close to resistance. Okay. Oh, got shooting star high volume. I didn't realize that. So here probably will cause a little bit problems already. Okay, but luckily the candle still hold well. Okay, but let's say break above this S1, maybe they will go into this S2 level because of this shooting star high volume. Okay, shooting star high volume. So KC, okay, KC, if you entered already previously, I'm not sure. Maybe you enter somewhere around here, or somewhere around here, right? Got some profit, I think you can lock some first. Okay, you can lock some first because this high volume, even though this shooting star is not coming with climatic volume, but I think it will cause a temporary resistance. Okay, for MRCB. Okay, so now let's go into Penta. Okay, I think Penta is the last one, right? Hopefully I don't miss any stocks. Oh yeah, MPHB. Okay, MPHB. Okay, Penta is another stocks that okay, let's do weekly chart because Penta are also actually looking for potential long terms. Okay, for this. Okay, so well, it looks like having some sort like a reversal from here, short term. Okay, crossing, but it haven't crossed the 2040 moving average yet. Okay, because I was looking for something like this, cross. Okay, first pullback, maybe you got a chance. Okay, here got some resistance. Okay, some resistance from here, from this area here. Okay, let's go back to daily now. Weekly wise, I still haven't seen a very clear picture yet. Okay, but daily wise, okay, daily wise volume increasing at the bottom over here. There's some volume. There's some volume. So, yeah, as long as they are above 20, 40-day moving average, okay, I think this one's got game. This one got game. Okay. Yeah, maybe if let's say I enter also, I will focus a little bit on short term first. Somewhere towards this so-called next resistance. Okay. Of course, you can follow my S1, S2, but the one I'm looking into is more based on the weekly chart time frame. Okay, because Penta also actually I'm thinking for long term, but somehow the setup for weekly is not that clear. Yeah, DUFU, I think yes. Okay, DUFU clearer. Okay, you go to weekly. Okay, they didn't break this level. They do shake out, but didn't break this level. The other day got a shooting star here, also with high volume. Last week. Okay. Yeah, so looks like I'm going to focus me at the moment, MI and P metal. P metal also very clear for long term trend also. Okay, for my remaining of my time, you want me to go through the trade signal? Okay, sorry, MPHB. Okay, let me know if you want me to go to trade signal. Okay, before we close. MPHB. So for those that who are joining me right now, okay, tomorrow I don't have any. Wow. KC is still holding this, right? Walao, congratulations. Oh yeah, this one. But this one we also hold for some times, 2022 lah. This is back to, I remember 2 years ago lah, but okay lah. All right, so for those that who are joining me right now, do remember tomorrow we don't have any section because tomorrow I got some appointment. So probably I'll come back again on Thursday. So if you have enjoyed my section over here, do remember to hit the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. Okay, so that we got more viewer moving forwards. And if you are not joining my Telegram, join my Telegram for discussion. Okay, so now last one, MPHB capitals. This one, so far I think no issue lah. KC, I don't see any weakness. Okay, I don't see any weakness from here, but volume still a bit illiquid. Again, good to, if let's say you haven't do any partial profit, good to do some partial profit. Okay, so I don't really can review much. Okay, weekly chart wise, they break above this reaccumulation. Yes, there's a strong uptrend coming in. So if you plan for really long-term one, right? Okay, maybe pullback expected something like this because this is a big climatic already. So pullback is expected. Okay, but long-term wise, I think this one's still good. Okay, long-term wise, this one's still good. Okay, right now no weakness. Okay, right now no weakness. So okay, now with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section here today. So once again, tomorrow we don't have any section, and I will see you Thursday. All right, thank you.